Bhaiya, it's really fun working with the computer. I can spend a lot of time in working and practicing on it.
So, who is prohibiting you from practicing? You can practice anytime.
Yes, I would do it, but not today.
Why? What happened?
I have got lots of assignments from school today, and I have to submit these by tomorrow. Let me work on these assignments.
Sure, but can I see the assignments?
Sure.
Oh, you have to create assignments with pictures, graphs, and some stylized text also. This is really exciting.
Yes, it is. But I would need to work overnight to complete it.
My dear sister, you don't need to worry. Your computer can help you complete this like a magic.
Really? How can I use my computer to get my assignments done quickly?
This computer has a word processing program or software that you can use to create documents as you desire.
Interesting. What is this program called?
This is called Microsoft Word or MS Word. Let's learn about MS Word. After completing this module, you will be able to identify MS Word as a word processor, explain MS Word window, use MS Word to create, edit, and format documents. Microsoft Word or MS Word or Word is a word processing program that comes with Microsoft Office suite. Microsoft Office or MS Office is an office suite for desktop applications and servers of Microsoft. Some of the most used applications are MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and MS Access. MS Word is a word processing program which is used to increase the readability of any text. It also helps you to share data and documents, use communication tools, access the internet, and print or publish documents. By using MS Word, you can create various kinds of documents such as letters, memos, and reports. You can also edit, format, and print the created documents. You can apply various font styles, font color, insert pictures, graphs, and tables into a document. Before we start using MS Word, let's run or start Word and know its window. To run MS Word, click on the Start button. Point the mouse to All Programs. Click on Microsoft Office. Click Microsoft Office Word 2007. A new document window appears. Look at this document window. It is divided into various parts. These are Title Bar, Quick Access Toolbar, Ribbon, Ruler, Workspace or Text Area, Scroll Bars, and Status Bar. The Title Bar displays name of the current active document and the program name. You can alter the size of the document window by double-clicking on the title bar. Show the document size coming to its normal state when the title bar is double-clicked. The title bar contains Office button and Minimize, Restore Down, Maximize, and Close buttons. Let us know about them. The Office button displays list of recent documents. You can click on the name of a document in the list to access it quickly. The Office button provides various options as displayed on the screen. You can use these options to create, open, save, print, or publish a document. The Minimize button minimizes or reduces the document window to a taskbar icon. By clicking on the icon, you can restore the window to its previous state. Restore Down button restores the document window to its original size before full screen. Maximize button helps you maximize the document window to full screen. Close button helps you close the document window and exit the Word application. As the name suggests, Quick Access Toolbar helps you to quickly access frequently used tools such as save, redo, and undo. You can also customize the Quick Access Toolbar by selecting items from the drop-down list. By default, Quick Access Toolbar is placed above ribbon. You can customize its location to below the ribbon by selecting Show Below the Ribbon option from the drop-down list. Look at the ribbon now. Various menu items are arranged at the top of the ribbon as tabs. Clicking a tab displays all related menu options in various groups. Within each group, you can find related menu buttons. Below the ribbon, you can find the ruler. The ruler helps you measure and line up objects in the document quickly. If the ruler is not visible, click the View tab and select the ruler checkbox. The ruler appears below the ribbon. Look at this white space. This is the workspace or text area where you can create document. Look at the horizontal and vertical scroll bars. These help you move up, down, and across your document. The status bar is located at the bottom of the document window. It displays information such as the current page and number of words in the currently active document. You can customize the information that you want to be displayed on the status bar. To customize, right-click on the status bar and select the options you want from the Customize Status Bar menu. Read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question. Read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question. Read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question. Ribbon. So now you are familiar with the parts of a document window. Let's explore the ribbon in more detail, as you will be using this part more frequently while working with the document. The ribbon consists of various menu tabs that help you access program features. These tabs are Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View, Design, and Layout. Click each tab to know more about it. The Home tab. The Home tab helps you format text and paragraphs. The Home tab contains menu options in various groups. These groups are Clipboard, Font, Paragraph, Styles, and Editing. The Clipboard group provides access to various menu options. These menu options are Cut, Copy, Paste, and Format Painter. The Cut, Copy, and Paste options help you copy or move any selected text in a document. The Format Painter helps copy selected formatting and apply it to another. The Font group provides access to various menu options that help change the font face, size, type, and color of the selected text. The Paragraph group provides options to align and indent text in a paragraph. It also helps you apply list, bullet, and numbering to a paragraph and sort the selected text and numerical data. The Styles group helps you apply various styles such as normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2, title, and subtitle to the selected text in the document. The Editing tab helps you search and find text in the document. You can also use the Replace menu option to replace a text and its multiple occurrences in the document. The Insert tab. As the name suggests, it helps you insert pages, tables, illustrations, links, header and footer, text, and symbol into the document. The Page Layout tab provides options to apply themes to your document, set up a page, set page background, apply paragraph indentation, apply paragraph indentation and spacing, and arrange various objects in the document. The References tab helps you create table of contents and insert footnotes, citation and bibliography, captions, index, and table of authorities. The Mailings tab helps you prepare a form document or letter where each copy is intended to be sent to multiple recipients. The various groups in the tab help you create envelopes and labels, include recipients to your document, write and insert fields such as address and greeting line. Preview the results and check errors before finalizing and finishing. Mail merge is an important feature in MS Word. You can write a customized letter or flyer to all your friends in one shot by using this feature. The Review tab. The Review tab provides various options for proofing the document, inserting, deleting, and navigating through the contents in the document, tracking changes in the document, viewing and navigating through the changes in the document, comparing multiple versions of a document, and protecting the document. The View tab. The View tab helps you in working with views of the document. You can change the views of the document using options in the Document Views group. The View tab also helps you show or hide ruler, grid lines, message bar, document map, and thumbnails. The Zoom group helps you view the document in a particular size. The Window group helps you arrange various document windows open in the application. The Design tab. The Design tab helps you apply various styles to the table in the document. The Layout tab. The Layout tab helps work with table. It helps you view properties of the table and work with rows and columns of the table. Read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question. Read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question.